We're snagged. Oh! There goes my fucking... Oh. Fuck, dude. That's weird. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, first bass of the year. My first ever bass on lipless crank. He's not fighting that much, but lift him up. There we go. There we go. First bass of the year. Not bad. On this small cotton cordell. Small cotton cordell lipless crank. Alright. What's up, y'all? RandRfishing here. Back again at the power plant. The OG spot. We literally just left work and we're gonna try and get some pre-spawn fishing in right before the rain. Got about 2 hours till it gets dark out, and we're gonna see what we can do. So, water's a little stained, it looks like, and a little choppy. But I'll show you what we're doing with today. Got a medium light rod with some braided fluorocarbon on it, with a little ultralight minnow for any finicky bass or panfish, and then we got just a green pumpkin bluegill swim jig, yeah, with some type of crawl trailer on it. So, like I said, we'll see what happens. First cast. I believe this is a sinking jerkbait. Oh, look at that, first cast. First cast on the ultralight minnow. Ooh, there we go, there we go. Yeah. Could be better, but look at that first cast. Damn. Alright, look at that. First cast of the day. Let's let him go. Well, good thing I didn't wait to start the video. I know I kept making claims every time I'd make a video, and I never published them, but I think I am going to start filming again, because the memes just grew too big, so I'm kind of forced to, and school just ended, and it's a good way to keep in touch with people, I guess. We gotta follow. See what happens. Said that, and as soon as I said that, we had a hook up. So. Oh, there we go, another hook. We're hooked up again. Ooh, little. Ooh, look at that bluegill. Ooh, that's a nice one. Nice bluegill. Look at that. That's going right in my spring. This is all going in my journal for biology. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. All 3 trebles in his mouth. That sucks. Let's see if I can get it out without having to get my pliers. Look at that, right away. Alright, let's let this guy go. Oh, there he goes. A little acrobatics thing. This is my problem. I spend too much time in one spot. This is probably going to get snagged, but we'll see. Oh. Might have hit a tree. Might have had a fish go for it. And as soon as I said that, we have a fish. Here we go. It feels a little better than the other ones, but going on a really light setup. A little bass. Yeah, as one rod would say, get in the boat. Even smaller than the first one, I think. We are using small tackle, but that is just because I'm in the mood to catch fish. And I'm not too egotistical when I fish, so any fish is a good fish to me. Nice little bass. There we go. If I stay till dark, I don't think I will, because I think I pissed off my parents. But I was gonna say, pretty soon we should be able to go on top water, if not already. They were busting, not busting, but they were. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's better. That's better. Oh. Actually, it might not be better. Little bit better. Remember how I said that the hook was not the greatest on this swim jig? That's what I was talking about. Hope you guys saw that. Because I did for about 30 seconds. That was all the way out in the middle. So, I do want to... Man, if I had it deeper, I would take it here. But I'd love to know what's in the middle here. Probably gets deeper, as ponds typically do. Oh, there we go, hooked up again. This is good. This is better. Get out of there. Oh, no, it's not that good, but he's fighting, Get that head down. There we go. Well, biggest of the day landed. I think that other one is actually bigger. He fought pretty good, though. Yeah, like I said earlier in the video, I'm not the greatest fisherman. I'm also... don't catch that big a fish, but here we go. What is that, third bass of the day? Hooked up when the alarm's going off again. Alarm just came off as we hooked up. This is the best one of the night. In this spot where I caught the big one last year. Ooh, this is a pretty fish. Nice, healthy gills right here. It's probably been about 20 minutes since I turned off the camera. Which the camera was on before that for probably an hour since. You can see we're on the other side now. Yeah, I think they definitely know I'm here. What's that's for? There you go, see his mouth, he's chomping. That's not a bad fish. Let him go, nice and gentle, because I think we might be able to pull another one out. Oh, there you go. I had high expectations I would catch one right here. That's why I caught a 4-pounder last April. Right in this little divot right on the bed. So what I did was I came over here casting. Like, do you want me to leave? Are you kicking me out? Or what are you doing? Am I supposed to leave? You turning... What the fuck am I doing? I'm just gonna keep fishing until it tells me to leave. Almost like the entrance to a beaver lodge. Where am I stuck? Oh, we are hooked up. We are hooked up. I didn't even have to do anything. I just cast that in and let it fall. Honestly, just did. Oh, don't jump. Ooh. 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 Head down. He's not that big, but he's pulling. Look at that. He is pulling. Ooh, best fish of the day. Best fish of the year. Nice. Look at that. Nice. Maybe I'm going too fast. I'm actually gonna get a picture with this guy, but hook popped right out. Nice fish. If that's the last fish, I'm proud of that. I'm gonna get a video, so I have a picture of this guy. So So we're gonna skip to back when we're fishing. Just set the GoPro down and take some screenshots of myself. Let this guy go. Ooh, he's biting. Ow, he's biting me. There you go. I actually never had a bass bite me until then. But cigarettes on the ground. Pretty sure I just showed you guys the ground. Oh no, I got this wet, so now I gotta wash this anyway. I've worn this the last 2 days and I haven't washed it. There we go. Only 16 minutes later.